Sheet metal. In ZW3D 2022, there are many new features and enhancements. Now, let's take a look. New version allows you to predefine the global attributes before starting the sheet metal design. To be more specific, you can not only define the global thickness, radius, and K factor, but also the relief type and values. What's more, you can decide whether to do the corner treatment and the specific attributes. And all the definitions can be exported locally for later using. After that, you will find that all the parameters and options are consistent with global definition automatically. No need to define it every single time. When design is finished, normally we need to make a flat pattern for the manufacturing process. With new flattened features, we can get the result in just a second. Then you can export it to DWG or DXF for further using. New sheet metal features will save more time but generate more productivities.